Temple Green by Arun Exelo is a 120-acre township development located on the 10-lane State Highway 57 at Oragadam, the automobile hub of Chennai. Temple Green is strategically located on the Oragadam Sri Perumbudur State Highway, where you have more than 450 big companies like Apollo Tyres, Renault Nissan, Daimler, Polyhose and Steel Strips, to name a few. The industries in the neighborhood have invested around Rs 5,500 crores in this paramount location, which faces a huge growth potential and therefore naturally drawing popularity due to the recent development activities planned by the government of Tamil Nadu. Oragadam is a flourishing location having ample natural resources and water bodies. This ensures copious supplies of water throughout the year, making it a fast developing suburb with potentially high job opportunities. An attractive retail income on investment is therefore ensured. Temple Green is an abode to more than 2,500 happy families and a great investment opportunity for the affordable middle income group. The township boasts of the following features. 1. High-rise apartments. Heights. Heights are multi-storied living structures comprising of 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments in an 18-story building. The 7 impressive towers containing a total of 1,704 units are complete in all respects, and 80% of the space has already been occupied. They are home to tenants from nearby automobile hubs and industrial units with a growing demand for living spaces. 2. Low-rise apartments, Alpha, 4 Greens and Jalmika. These are budget apartments which cater to the needs of the lower and the middle income group. The 4-story structure offers all modern amenities for a contemporary lifestyle. The ambience provides you with refreshing views of greenery and facilities offered at a reasonable price. 3. Green Acres 1 and 2. Green Acres are thoughtfully designed, lavish residential plots. The individual plot area varies from 341 to 5,262 square feet, and the whole area is provided with black-topped road, street lighting and stormwater drain. 4. Townhouses. The townhouses are a cluster of elegantly crafted 3 BHK and 4 BHK homes in a 2-story structure. The townhouses are a cluster of elegantly crafted 3 BHK and 4 BHK homes in a 2-story structure. Temple Green offers an ideal residential location with essential facilities catering to the middle income group of society. Amenities. PS Temple Green Vidyashram, a CBSE school within the township with classes from LKG to 10th standard. The school provides world-class education and nourishes kids from the very beginning of their educational life. A place of worship, Lord Ganesha Temple, a spacious park and garden for children, world-class sports facilities with tennis court, badminton court, shuttle court and basketball court, multi-level car parking, a BSNL exchange within the township, a commercial plaza with salon, departmental store, clinic, bank, ATM, restaurant, cafe and so on, a gym and a swimming pool within the township, a dedicated EB office and regulated gas supply facility within the township. These world-class facilities are managed by the developer, which is an additional advantage for the buyers. Well supported by these facilities, amenities, strategic location and infrastructure, Temple Green by Arun Exelo has become a beautiful ornament of Oragadam.